Saturated versus unsaturated fats. Saturated fats are solid at room temperature, for example, butter, while unsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature. For example, cooking oil. All fats are made up of fatty acids. These are tiny units of fats that contain carbon atoms linked together. The carbon atoms are also bonded to hydrogen atoms. Saturated fats contain saturated fatty acids. This means the carbon atoms of such fatty acids are saturated with hydrogen atoms. This makes the carbon chain in them perfectly straight. All bonds in them are single. They do not contain double bonds. That's why in saturated fats, their fatty acids are tightly packed and their structure is solid at room temperature. Let's look at unsaturated fats. The fatty acids in their case contain one or more double bonds. The carbon chains of unsaturated fatty acids are not fully filled with hydrogen atoms. Their carbon atoms contain double bonds. Because of this, the carbon chains in them have bends that prevents these fatty acids from strongly binding to each other. That's why unsaturated fats are liquid at room temperature.